All right, so this is Inspiron 15-inch 5547. You can see the screen's damaged. I'm going to take out the old screen and we're going to put in a new screen. And yeah, here we go. So first thing you want to do is turn off the computer and take out the battery. There's 2 screws in the back and it should just pop out. So there's 4 screws on the back. Take those out and the battery should just pop right out. And I'll just pop that back so nothing gets inside. Frame, just pry it up with your fingers underneath. Be careful. That should just pop right out. Pops out. Easy peasy. And there's 4 screws on the screen. Screws are out. Now you can just lay the screen down on the keyboard. There's a piece of tape. Just take the piece of tape off and put it up top here. And then right here there's the connection. Should be able to just nice and easy bring it back. Easy peasy. There you go, the old screen's out. On the back of the screen there's a number there you can use for ordering a new screen. I've got my new screen here. I'll just reverse everything I've done. Gently click the connection in there. And put the tape back on. Everything lines up nicely. Put the 4 screws back in. Grab my frame. Nice and easy, pops it back in. Actually, before I do that, I will take off the film. It's probably easier to take it off now than after. And then click. Nice and easy, just clicks right in. Reinstall the battery. And the 4 screws for the battery, and pop the back on, and the 2 screws. A moment of truth. So far so good. And there you go, all fixed.